In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide products in your Shopify store. There are lots of reasons you might want to hide a product. Maybe it's out of stock, maybe you're still working on the description and photos, or you're preparing for a future launch and don't want customers to see it yet. Whatever the reason, Shopify makes it straightforward to remove a product from your storefront without deleting it completely, and that's exactly what we'll walk through now. First, go to your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. This is your main admin area, where you manage everything from orders and customers to products and apps. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Products. Click on Products. This takes you to a list of every item currently in your store, including active products, drafts, and any archived ones. If you have a lot of products, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you want to hide by typing in its name or SKU. When you see the product you'd like to hide, click on its name to open the product details page. On the product page, you'll see all the information related to that product: title, description, images, pricing, inventory, and so on. To hide it from your online store, look towards the top right corner of the screen for a box labeled Status. This is where Shopify controls whether a product is visible to customers or not. Inside that status box, you'll see an option you can click to expand the status choices. Go ahead and click it. You'll see different status options such as active and draft. To hide the product from your store, select draft. Setting a product to draft means it's still stored in your admin, but it won't appear to visitors on your live site. After you've changed the status to draft, make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom right of the page, and click it. This step is important. If you don't save, the product will remain visible. Once it's saved as a draft, the product is now hidden from anyone browsing your store, but you can still come back later, switch it back to active, and make it visible again whenever you're ready.